Here are some nonverbal ways to making people respect you immediately. Dressing appropriately for the occasion can make a positive impression on others. Dressing professionally can also communicate that you take yourself and your work seriously. Standing or sitting up straight can project confidence and authority. It also communicates that you are attentive and engaged in the situation. Making eye contact with others can communicate confidence, sincerity, and interest in the conversation. However, be careful not to stare or make the other person uncomfortable. Listening actively and attentively can show others that you value their opinions and are engaged in the conversation. This can increase their respect for you and build trust. Open body language, such as uncrossed arms and legs, can communicate that you are approachable, receptive, and confident. Your facial expressions can communicate a lot about your emotions and attitude towards others. Avoid frowning, scowling, or showing negative facial expressions, as these can be interpreted as disrespect or disinterest. Being on time shows respect for others' time and communicates that you are reliable and responsible. Respect differences in cultures, opinions, and backgrounds. This can show that you are open-minded and inclusive of all people. Understand your strengths and weaknesses, and work to improve yourself. This can show that you are committed to personal growth and development. When faced with challenging situations, stay calm and composed. This can demonstrate that you are in control and can handle difficult situations. When faced with challenging situations, stay calm and composed. This can demonstrate that you are in control and can handle difficult situations. When you do speak with conviction and authority. This can show that you are knowledgeable and confident in your expertise. Show kindness and compassion to others, especially those in need. People respect those who are generous and caring. Don't brag or show off your accomplishments. Instead, let your actions speak for themselves. Follow through on their commitments and be dependable. People respect those who they can rely on. Make decisions confidently and quickly, while also considering the opinions and needs of others. This can show that you are a capable and effective leader.